In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove buttons on Squarespace. Squarespace makes it easy to create and manage a professional website, but sometimes you might find yourself wanting to make a few adjustments. Maybe you've added a button that no longer serves its purpose, or you're streamlining your site's design. Whatever the reason, removing a button on Squarespace is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. You'll see the homepage showcasing some of Squarespace's features, but what we're interested in today is logging in to your account. So navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on Login. This is your gateway to accessing the backend of your website. Now Squarespace offers a couple of different ways to log in, but for simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This method is super convenient if you've already linked your Google account. Just click on your Google account from the list provided and you're in. No need to remember another password, which, let's be honest, is always a nice perk. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to your website. If you have more than one site hosted on Squarespace, make sure you select the correct one. Look for the name of your site or the preview image that Squarespace provides to help identify it quickly. Alright, now that you've selected your site, it's time to dive into the editing mode. Look for an option that says Edit. This might be represented by an icon depending on your Squarespace version, but it should be relatively easy to find. Click on it to proceed to the editing dashboard. Within the editor, you'll have the freedom to customize various elements of your site. To remove a button, navigate to the page or section where the button is located. Once you've found the button you wish to remove, simply click on it. This action will reveal a toolbar or a selection box around the button, indicating that it's ready for editing. Now look for the trash can icon. This symbol universally represents deletion or removal, and clicking it will remove the selected button from your page. It's that easy, but remember this action might prompt a confirmation dialog, depending on your settings and the version of Squarespace you're using. If so, confirm that you indeed want to delete the button. The final step, and this is crucial, is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, often located at the top or bottom of the editing interface. Clicking Save will apply the changes you've made to your live site. It's essential to save your work, otherwise the removal of the button won't be reflected on your website. And there you have it. Removing a button from your Squarespace site is as simple as following these steps. Remember, the beauty of Squarespace is in its flexibility and ease of use. Don't be afraid to experiment with your design, trying different things, and making adjustments as your website evolves. Whether it's adding, editing, or removing elements like buttons, Squarespace is designed to make the process intuitive and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Whether you're tweaking your site's design or overhauling it entirely, knowing how to navigate and utilize Squarespace's editing tools is key to creating a website that perfectly represents your brand or personal aesthetic. Happy editing!